closest you want to get?
Right now, yeah. I mean, he's antagonizing you, right?
Okay, narrate. Start narrating. This is the stalker.
Okay. This is the stalker of,
Forest Room.
what?
Forest Room apartment.
Forestrom Apartments, and, Becky right here has noticed that this guy's been out bugging her several nights. She's called the police on him a couple of times, and he opened up the garage door when she walked by, so she has me out here filming.
Oh, he just shut it.
Which is what he would have did if I would have parked in there too. If he would see, there's two ways it could have happened. He could have came out, jumped in front of the car, and had a confrontation, right? Or he would have closed the garage.
Well, I mean, see, he's invading my privacy in my life.
Right.
So